this is my current setup of my vanity. It's just a regular office desk that I got from Walmart. I think the original price was 50 something, but I got it for $36. I'm gonna put the link down below of this exact table. Don't study the chair right now because this chair is gonna be changed. And I'm also gonna do a video on where I got my lights from. I got all my lights. Oh gosh, embarrassing, I can't find it. What the heck? Okay, I got all my lights, so I'm gonna have a video on that as well. So these little things I got from Office Max, and you can buy them in a set. I believe the set was like $35, or you could buy them single. I did choose to go the single route because they only had white, and I didn't want anything that was white. When I chose this vanity, I wanted it to be black because I know, dealing with makeup, it's going to get messy, and if you're going to have white, you could wipe it off, yes, but it is going to stain. Some of this makeup does stain. So my laptop does not stay here. My laptop is usually in my room. These are my palettes, makeup palettes. You guys, I'm sorry for the awkwardness that I'm giving you guys. These are where I'm gonna have my brushes, my eyeliner, color eyeliners, pigments, setting sprays, eyeliners. I have some more liquid lipsticks, lip glosses. What the heck is this called? No, mascara.
What number comes between 2 and 4? Beetlejuice.
25.
I want everything to be where it should be, So I try to put all my concealer palettes. And I also have glitter pigments. They're all supposed to be face down so I can see the color. I also want to get something to put all my MAC lipsticks, all my name brand lipsticks. I don't know where I'm gonna put it because the top of my desk is pretty packed. I'm sure I'm gonna find a way. This is just some more concealers, primers, moisturizers, beauty blenders. I try to put the dirty ones away from the clean ones just so I know what's going on. You see what I mean? This thing comes with a mirror as well, but I don't really like to use it. Just stuff scattered here, scattered. These actually came in my makeup kit that I have. I'm gonna show you guys over there, right there. Yes, that is duct tape on it. It needs to be in the trash as of now, but I'm not gonna replace it yet until I get my new one. So these came in it actually. So I have all my glitters in here, more glitters, liquid lipstick, and this is for my freaking mic. I should put this on my mic as of now because I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be hearing some discrepancies in this video, okay? These are for my ring light, and this is, as you guys know, it's the bag. Here is just more color eyeliners, black eyeliners, just eyeliners period. In here I have some more rags because as I'm doing makeup, okay, to show you guys this, I like to just wipe off any excess like eyeshadow or lipstick on like something. I don't want to get my desk all dirty, even though it's kind of getting there. I have this as well, but I still want to go with this. I have an empty pan. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there yet. Let me see. Yeah, it's empty. Here I have my foundations, and in the back there I have like stuff for contouring and setting powders and facial powders. So since this desk doesn't come with drawers, I did not want any drawers because I know my stuff. I know that I was gonna have those drawers looking like confusion. So I'm pretty happy on how everything turned out. Powder. this back, what the heck? It looks like it has stuff. Hold on, you guys. Ugh. So I have powders, I have makeup wipes. Bailey! You guys, my dog is tripping right now. I don't know what she's doing. Right here is just, I don't know yet, pen. And down here is a pen where I have my dirty brushes. And this, I actually just threw this in because I was cleaning up and I didn't know where to put it at that moment. So I'm gonna just take those stuff out. But this is supposed to be basically, if you're dirty, you're going in here, so I know that you need to get washed. I'm gonna try to see if my puppy is being mischievous. I'm gonna put everything that I got, I'm gonna try to put everything that I got in the description box below. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, you guys, have my palettes. I can't wait to start doing makeup. Like, I haven't been doing makeup because I'm the type of person, I'm the type of person, I like to have everything in order before I start. And I actually came back here to do some makeup, and it was just like frigging with my brain. I couldn't concentrate. So I can't wait to get some good content for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.